Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access advanced features. Now you need to scroll all the way down and select Dual Messenger. Finally, just click on the switcher next to one of your available apps that you wish to clone. Tap on Install in the pop-up. Then confirm in Disclaimer 1. And over here, in order to use separate contact list, tap on the gray switcher at the top. If you don't want to do it, hit Next at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Now just wait. So when I go back, as you can see, my Facebook app was successfully cloned. In order to delete this clone, go back to exactly the same settings and click on the now blue switcher next to it. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!